System service exception error on Windows 10. This is what we fixed today. Let's get started. Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Michael from Recoverit, and what we usually do here is to provide you with easy-to-follow practical data solutions. In today's episode, we're going to cover one of the most annoying blue screens of death on Windows, especially Windows 10, and this is the system service exception. And before we dive into the topic, I need to warn you that there are multiple reasons that could cause this issue, and very often these reasons are rather unknown, so we gotta have to dig a little bit deeper in this topic in order to understand well how to fix it. And also we're gonna provide you with some nice to follow and easy to follow tips and tricks. And if you like this idea, maybe you're gonna enjoy some of our other content, so subscribe to the channel. First of all, let us dig into the most common scenarios which could lead to this very unpleasant situation of getting a blue screen of death on Windows 10. The most common reason for system service exception are incompatible drivers. Could be an update that you have just applied, or could be something really outdated, or you've just swapped hardware and it comes with a new revision and the driver is a bit older. So this can easily lead to system incompatibility, therefore blue screen of death. Second possible reason could be a third-party app or software. You just install the latest version of something, then all of a sudden your computer becomes to be unstable, and from time to time you get these blue screens. And no matter what the reason is, don't you worry, because we're going to find out which are the exact reasons and get you a very easy to implement fix. So let's get started. Okay, the first idea is something that you can figure out by yourself by applying some common sense during the troubleshooting. That would be using the Windows 10 updates. Go to the Start menu, navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, go for Update and Security. Here we have to select Windows Update from the left menu bar and click Check for Updates. Wait for a few seconds until the system automatically shows and detects what is about to be updated, and at this point of time all you have to do is to click the Download and Install button, get yourself a cup of coffee and wait for the whole process to finish. Hopefully that's gonna get your situation fixed. I know we're not living in a perfect world, so our solution 1 might not have helped you so far, so let's go ahead and check what we can do with a manual driver update. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Go to the corresponding piece of hardware that you suspect might be leading to the blue screen, click Update Driver, and then click Search for drivers automatically on the next screen. Make sure that your system is connected to a stable internet connection, and it's automatically going to detect and download the corresponding drivers to your device. Once the process completes, check whether the blue screen conditions occurs again. Alright, next idea, magic spells. Now, we just have to use the command prompt. So open the command prompt, make sure you run it as administrator, and all you have to do is to type the command sfc/scan now and hit the enter button. The system is automatically going to scan the system files and repair those which are corrupt. That was easy, but we dive into the next option, which is also pretty easy to follow. We run the integrated in Windows Troubleshooter. Again, we go to Settings, Update and Security. In the left menu bar, we select Troubleshoot and search for the blue screen element under the Fix and Fix Other Problems tab, if it's recorded at all. Finally, click on Run the Troubleshooter button and let the system automatically diagnose and fix all the issues. I know that my next idea is rather trivial and probably you've done it multiple times, but hey, there's a good chance that this helps you, because if there are some corruptions on the file system, CheckDisk is the right tool to use. Again, we need command prompts to be run as administrator. We type chkdsk/f, the system drive letter, and then we press enter. And last but not least, in case any of those already 5 ideas did not help you, we're gonna try the Memory Diagnostic tool. Open the Windows search bar, type Memory Diagnostic tool. Once the dialog box appears on the screen, click Restart Now and check for problems. Let your system get rebooted and wait until the task is completed. Did that help? Comment below. Alright, we have every possible reason to believe that any of those 6 workarounds have helped you to get rid of this blue screen of death. Thing is that sometimes when we run the CheckDisk and when we repair the file system, Some of the files that might be very important could have been marked as unreadable or inaccessible. So in this kind of scenario, what we can recommend to you is to try our award-winning software, Recoverit, in order to quickly restore all your deleted files. Let me quickly show you the step-by-step process in order to recover such files. We just need to download, install and launch Recoverit. On the home screen, we choose the location from where the files were deleted. Then we click the Start button and Recoverit is going to scan the selected drive automatically in order to find all the deleted files. Be patient because the larger the drive, the longer it's going to take. After the scanning process completes, simply browse through the scanned results and select those files that you want to recover back. Then click the corresponding button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and save those files to another drive. Well, that's it for today, dear ladies and gentlemen. I truly hope that you've learned a lot for troubleshooting the system service exception, and now if you were chased by any blue screen of death, it's gone. If any of your files are missing, I think we've already shown you this really good idea by using Wondershare Recoverit in order to recover everything that suddenly disappeared from your hard disk. And if you have some more ideas to share or some more questions to ask, comment below and let us know what you think of this procedure. My name is Michael from the Recoverit team. Been such a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical data solutions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!